sir.
Yeah.
Just a short call, 2 minutes. Yeah. Now already 1860 Act is repealed. The new law, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023, it is already received the assent of the President Draupadi Murmu on December 25th.
It is not Indian Police Act which has been repealed. It is the Indian Penal Code which has been repealed. It is yet to come into the force, right? For your information. And
that is on July 1st. It was supposed to be effective. Maybe July 1st or August 1st it will be launched.
Okay.
So
I do
July
understand
1st,
it, but I do say कि क्या बिना थाने जाए FIR दर्ज होगी? There should be 5 different methodology to make it happen. Number 1. Number 2, यदि कोई झूठी FIR दर्ज करेगा तो क्या जेल में सड़ेगा? Point number 2, which is very important. Point number 3, क्या बिना जो है ना कोर्ट जाए डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड वीडियो बेस्ड ट्रायल सिस्टम से ट्रायल होगा और वो भी अधिकतम सीमा 30 दिन के अंदर पूरा होगा क्या? चौथी बात, क्या जो है जो एनोनिमिटी है, एनोनिमिटी की जगह क्या सर्टेनिटी एक्ट लाया जाएगा? when the certainty of identity will be the prime factors. यदि हरीश जो है वो anonymous होके हमारे 1 मिनट, why Mr. Harish, charter accountant Harish, should move on the public street and creating a threat to the public? Why you want to be anonymous? So we want to provide the certainty of privacy. Privacy as a fundamental right. So the system will be capturing everything, but at the same time, that cannot be misused and that will not be available neither to the administrative hierarchy, not to the political hierarchy. Nobody can have the even access to it. If somebody will be giving that information to the administrative hierarchy or political hierarchy, that will be a crime. Somebody will be rotting into the prison for 7 long years, and each conduct will be a separate offense. So if you have leaked 10 information, it means Mr. Harish will land in jail for 70 years. These provisions are required. धन की वर्षा करिए ना, जिससे कि अभी हम जाते हैं हमारी FIR दर्ज नहीं होती है. यदि मैथिली शरण गुप्त FIR दर्ज कराने जाए, उन्हें उल्टे पैसे मिले, इससे अच्छी क्या स्थिति होगी? ये हमारा धन का साधन बनेगा.
Sir, let us come to the point. One second, sir. Indian Policing Act, which year it was?
It was 1860. Indian Penal Code 1860 and Indian Police Act was 1861.
Acha, Indian Police Act में differences between Indian Policing Act and Indian Penal Code. So as of now, changes are required in Indian Policing Act. You are telling?
Changes are required in every domain. Whatever has been done, it has been done cosmetic. इसकी आत्मा बदलना पड़ेगी. जहां पर जो है झूठी FIR दर्ज करने का मतलब है.
सर एक मिनट
ये बात कह लेने दीजिए. हरीश जेल में सड़ेंगे यदि झूठी रिपोर्ट करेंगे तो. ये आत्मा बदलना पड़ेगी. अभी जो आदमी सही बात कह रहा है उसकी बात नहीं सुनी जा रही है, वो परेशान हो रहा है बरसों बरस. झूठी रिपोर्ट में जो है ना हरीश के को जो है ना और उसके खानदान को बंद कर दिया जा रहा है. 30-40 साल तक जो है ना उसे प्रोसिक्यूशन को झेलना पड़ता है और फिर वो जेल में सड़ रहा है. न्याय की बात करिए, न्याय प्रक्रिया पूरी तरह से बदलिए और धन की वर्षा करिए. जो भी न्याय को दिलाने में डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली मदद करेगा उसके ऊपर जो है सिस्टम धन की वर्षा करे और जितना धन बांटे उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके अपराधी से वसूल हो जाए. अभी उल्टा हो रहा है. अपराधी जो है एक फोन करता है और एक
मिनट. Now let us come to the point, sir. We can have other discussions later. Now 3 acts have been passed. One is Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, another is Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, another is Bharatiya Saksha Act. 3 acts have been passed. So you mean to say that Indian Policing Act changes are required, right?
I am saying whatever has been passed, there is a need of review and reconsideration, and it has to be thoroughly revised, consistent with the philosophy of the Crime-Free Bharat Mission, which says that you will be having the multiple option for getting offense registered. Rather, not registering an offense should also be made an offense. Anybody who is not registering the offense, he should go to jail. Make this change. Whosoever is reporting or directly or indirectly helping in prosecution, he should get a revenue stream. And the total sum which need to be recovered from the criminal, it will be some total of the money which has been distributed. So it will be a calculated penalty. It will not be decided by the magistrate. It will be decided by the process. Make these changes. Then give the fundamental right to privacy. At the same time, anonymity should be an offense. भाई अल्टीमेटली ईश्वर किसको कहते हैं? Who is omniscient, जिसे हर चीज की जानकारी है. तो हमारा जो है ना, जो डिजिटल चित्रगुप्त होगा उसे हर चीज की जानकारी होगी. लेकिन ना तो भगवान किसी दूसरे को बताता है, ना ये सिस्टम किसी को बताएगा. यदि इसमें बैठा हुआ सीईओ दुष्टापूर्वक अपने लाभ के लिए किसी प्रशासनिक अधिकारी या किसी पॉलिटिशियन को बताएगा तो 7 साल का मिनिमम पनिशमेंट होगा और हर इंफॉर्मेशन को सेपरेट ऑफेंस ट्रीट किया जाएगा. तो भाई साहब, यदि हरीश जो है ना सीईओ हैं और उन्होंने 10 जानकारी लीक कर दी तो हरीश जी 70 साल के लिए जेल में लॉक हो जाएंगे.
सर एक मिनट, दैट टेलीग्राम इश्यूज ग्रुप में कैन यू जस्ट हैव अ लुक इनटू टेलीग्राम इश्यूज ग्रुप
जस्ट नाउ?
या
What you want to say that you describe till I open, because my the phone it has been basically उसकी बैटरी डिस हो गया है, so it will be taking some time. Meanwhile, you can continue with your discussion.
That's all, sir. Just have a look into that.
You just tell me now what is written over there.
No, it is like I send a notification of whatever that thing. So you can, I think you have already gone through. Please have a look into those things. So maybe we can have a discussion after that.
I will certainly go through it, but at the same time, I request you that we should change our pitch. Let the Modi ji and Amit Shah jo hai na, he should be forced to review it, and when it is coming, let it be a revised format. It should come. So there should be a multiple option for getting the offense registered. Filing false and exaggerated FIR jo hai na, should be a very big heinous offense. So you should not be in position to misuse the law. Number 2. Number 3, non-registration should be made a crime. Then let the police should go to jail for not registering the offense. It should not
but
be.
As of now, the fact is, out of 100 cases, 99 cases may not go to the police station at all for FIR.
I am saying which may not be going, that is the separate phenomena. When you will be getting the money for reporting the cases, you will be reporting the cases. When you know that false case registration, you will rotten in the jail, you will never resort to the false reporting. So let it should be made a very transparent process where it should be available to everybody. That justice should be available within 30 days. What's so great about it? What's so great about it? 24 घंटे चलना चाहिए ना. इतनी सारी जो है ना वीडियो बेस्ड ट्रायल सिस्टम में करोड़ों जो है ना ट्रायल एक साथ हो सकते हैं. जहां तक रही सवाल जो है हम लॉ को लिस्ट क्यों करें, सिंपल सा क्लॉस्ट करें, उसके लिए कोई वकील की जरूरत नहीं होगी. व्हाई यू नीड वकील? And judge, you and me and everybody can be judged. What's so great about it?
Sir, 1 minute. You please have a look into that. Then sometime later we'll have a discussion. ठीक है सर?
Okay, that is absolutely fine. मैं माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी से प्रार्थना करना चाहूंगा कि वह जो है इन तीनों एक्ट को रिव्यू करें. मैं उनसे यह भी प्रार्थना करना चाहूंगा कि नॉन रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द ऑफेंस शुड बी मेड itself offense, and police officer responsible for non registration, they should go to jail with certainty. Anybody who is reporting false or exaggerated FIR, it also should be treated an offense, and the person should rotten into the jail. There should be distributed video-based trial system, and we must ensure justice within 30 days, not 1 year. Within 30 days. The trial will not be in court. The trial will be through the video-based trial system, in which the number of the judges or number of the police or number of the vakil will not come into the way. Everybody will become the service provider and will be getting the payment from government, and the sum total so distributed, it will be recovered, double of that will be recovered from the criminal. So government will be getting so much of the money, it will be 20 times money than what government could fetch from all possible sources now. We will be in position to make this country not only the crime free but tax free, but the loan free also. I would like to request my Honorable Prime Minister to look into it and do it. If you will do it, you will get more than 500 सीट, 500 पार हो जाएंगे आप. और यदि आप ये नहीं करेंगे तो मैथिली शरण गुप्त ऐसे 543 साथियों को जो कि 9 दिनों का उपाय करेंगे, those who will take the pledge of adding their own people, 10 people every day, only for 9 days. In 9 days we will become 100 crore, and the people, 543 people, those who have added maximum number of the people, they will be called Chandragupta and they will be given the ticket of the member of parliament. And 100 crore people will climb on the rooftop and will vote for them. In turn, Maithili Sharan Gupta along with the 543 companion will go to the parliament and will do the needful if Honorable Prime Minister will not do it. If Honorable Prime Minister will do it, then all these 100 crore people, nobody will go to the any election, and they will vote for the Honorable Prime Minister, and Honorable Prime Minister will be 500 plus. I humbly request you that you can provide Shaski government service, making them not the servant but the service provider, and offering the maximum minimum earning, minimum purchasing power of the 2 lakh rupees per month. I am very sure the person like Manni Narendra Modi would like to avail this opportunity, would not like to miss it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Matram.
Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
I'll call you sometime later, sir.
Okay, thank you.